memory I can improve for them. But before that, beta, I want to test your memory. Otherwise, Amma will say from beginning only, my daughter is Bangalore computer, she will say, okay? The test is, I'm going to give you 30 words, okay? I will tell 30 simple words, okay? Two times I will tell, listen to me carefully and see if you can remember them in the same order. Okay, same sequence you try to memorize. Then I'll give you mic. You must tell the words back to me in the same order. If you could do good. In case you're not able to do, I will help you. Okay. So tension ಇಲ್ಲ, relax ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. Sit comfortably. Remember 30 words the same order. Ready now? Okay. Let's check this now. Okay. Yash. Okay. That KGF hero, right? And then moon, bike, water bottle, hospital, Spider-Man, ceiling fan, pencil, orange, biscuit, shirt, soap, peacock, Taj Mahal, camera, FM radio, globe, Narendra Modi, spectacles, newspaper, flowers, bull temple. Okay, you know bull temple? Banshankar is there. And then aeroplane, monkeys, school bag, knife, laptop, cinema, coffee. The last one is bus stand. Okay, again from beginning, listen to me carefully. Okay, Yash, moon, bike, water bottle, hospital, Spider-Man, ceiling fan, pencil, orange, biscuit, shirt, soap, peacock, Taj Mahal, camera, FM radio, globe, Narendra Modi, spectacles, newspaper, flowers, bull temple, aeroplane, monkeys, school bag, knife, laptop, cinema, coffee. The last one is better, bus stand. Okay, baby, I'm going to give this mic from Ash. How many you think you remember? Can you try better? Sit comfortably and just see how many you can remember.
Ash.
Yeah.
Moon.
Yes, better. Bike.
Bike.
Water bottle.
Water bottle.
Okay, give the mic to the next girl. Let us try better. From Ash, you try.
Ash.
Yeah.
Bull. Narendra Modi.
Modi is very far. He's in Ayodhya right now. He's not here. It will take some time. He's very busy doing some fasting. Don't disturb him, okay? Ash ke baad moon.
Ash. Bull. Moon.
Okay, pass the mic to the next girl. Let us try better. Ash.
Ash. Moon. Water bottle.
Bike, water bottle.
Bike. Water bottle.
Hospital.
Hospital. Airport. Bull temple.
No. Can you pass the mic to the next person? Let's check this. Okay, better you try.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, better.
Water bottle.
Bike, water bottle.
Bike. Water bottle.
Hospital.
Hospital.
Yeah. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Spectacles.
No. Now, can we give these 4 children one big round of applause? Can you give a big applause? Okay. You will tell me, sir, if they're not able to do, why you're asking us to clap? Problem is not with our children. They're all like diamonds, okay? I'll just prove it to you. Problem is not with them. No, jane anjane mein, knowingly, unknowingly, a small little mistake happened, from us, as a parents at home. As a teacher, I did some small error at the school. Our son became 4 years old. What did you do? You gave one notebook and pencil, you said, better write A, B, C, D. When he came to nursery, you said, beta, A for apple, B for bat. That much you told. Have you ever taught him that, beta, you have a brain, you need to use this like this way? Never you told them at home. When they came to school, I began with Kannada and then English, mathematics, social science. 3 months over, I said, beta, tomorrow quarter exam, question number 3 and then 5 and 8 will come. Please remember and come. And the boy said, sir, how I remember? I said, don't ask me that question. Please get out. That means neither you at home, nor me at school, none of us thought about the brain. Directly teaching about subject, okay? That's the reason why they don't like study at all. And the moment you tell them to open the book, they become so angry, okay? No, Amitabh Bachchan, angry young man only. And you expect this girl should become IAS officer, she should become a doctor, she should become a scientist, and the boy should crack IIT exam. How is it possible? Now you see their memory, give us some time. My colleague is there, he will do small training. Will there be some change? After that, we shall check. Beta, 4 of you. Now see this, okay, Bhaiya, go with him for a few minutes and come back, okay? Better sit comfortably, both the feet flat on the ground, hands on thighs, gently close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold it, slowly exhale. As you exhale, tell yourself, relax, relax, and relax. I'm going to tell you all the words, store them in brain. Now, Yash, moon, bike, water bottle, hospital, Spider-Man, ceiling fan, pencil, orange, biscuit, shirt, soap, peacock, Taj Mahal, camera, FM radio, globe, Narendra Modi, spectacles, newspaper, flowers, bull temple, aeroplane, monkeys, school bag, knife, laptop, cinema, coffee, and the last one is better, bus stand. Okay, baby, I'm going to give this mic from Ash. Could you kindly tell me all the words, please?
Ash, moon, bike, water bottle, hospital, spider, ceiling fan, pencil, orange, biscuit, shirt, soap, peacock, Taj Mahal, camera, FM, globe, Narendra Modi, spectacles, newspaper, flowers, bull temple, aeroplane, a monkey, school bag, knife, laptop, cinema, coffee, bus stand.
Wonderful. Can you pass the back to the next?
Ash, moon, bike, water bottle, hospital, Spider-Man, ceiling fan, pencil, orange, biscuit, shirt, soap, peacock, Taj Mahal, camera, FM radio, globe, Narendra Modi, spectacles, newspaper, flower, bull temple, aeroplane, monkey, school bag, knife, laptop, cinema, coffee, bus stand.
Well done. Can you pass the back to the next person?
Yash, moon, bike, water bottle, hospital, Spider-Man, ceiling fan, pencil, orange, biscuit, shirt, soap, peacock, Taj Mahal, camera, FM radio, globe, Narendra Modi, spectacles, newspapers, flowers, bull temple, aeroplane, monkeys, school bag, knife, laptop, cinema, coffee, bus stand.
Wonderful. Can you?
Yes, moon, bike, water bottle, hospital, Spider-Man, ceiling fan, pencil, orange, biscuits, shirt, soap, peacock, Taj Mahal, camera, FM radio, globe, Narendra Modi, spectacles, newspaper, flower, bull temple, aeroplane, monkeys, school bag, knife, laptop, cinema, coffee, bus stand.
Wonderful. Okay. Now I got one more question to this four of them. Okay. Guys, you are saying me from H to bus stand, right? Anyone here who can tell me these words in the backward, reverse bus stand to H? Can somebody tell me the words? Okay. Right. All of you. Okay. Can we check them backward? Can we check them? You have time now. You are not in hurry, right? Because these are our children, right? Okay. Better try from bus stand to H back.
Bus stand, coffee, cinema, laptop, knife, school bag, monkeys, aeroplane, bull temple, flower, newspaper, spectacles, Narendra Modi, globe, FM radio, camera, Taj Mahal, peacock, soap, shirt, biscuit, orange, pencil, ceiling fan, Spider-Man, hospital, water bottle, bike, moon, edge.
Wonderful. Can you pass the mic to the next person? Okay. Better from bus stand.
Bus stand, coffee, cinema, laptop, knife, school bag, monkeys, aeroplane, bull temple, newspapers, spectacles, Narendra Modi, globe, FM radio, camera, Taj Mahal, peacock.
Can she tell what is before that word? What is after that word? Can she tell? Check any one of you. Ask me one random word here. Beta.
Taj Mahal.
Beta, Taj Mahal. Beta, what is before Taj Mahal? What is after Taj Mahal?
After Taj Mahal, camera.
Okay.
Before Taj Mahal, peacock.
Correct answer. Now give the mic to this girl. Ask her one question, beta. Yes. What is before Yesh? What is after Yesh? Not there. After Yesh, what is there?
Moon.
Correct answer. You can't fool him. Now give the mic to him. Ask him one question. Beta, newspaper. What is before newspaper? What is after newspaper?
After newspaper, flowers.
Okay.
Before newspaper, spectacles.
Correct answer. Now give the mic to her. Ask her one question. Aeroplane. Beta, aeroplane. What is before aeroplane? What is after aeroplane?
After aeroplane, monkeys. Before aeroplane, bull temple.
Okay. You can ask anyway. Was it difficult? Was it easy? Very easy. Now we remember all of the words, right? Auntie says, tomorrow evening I'll come to your house. Will you be able to tell? Yeah. This auntie says, tomorrow I will not come. I'll come next Sunday. Ma'am, 6 months later, you tell the place, okay, or my children will tell the place. You tell the time, okay, or my kids will tell the time. Anywhere in Karnataka, you can ask them, they will not hesitate without any problem, they will tell you. Because in Pahad, simple memory method they have used, and you have seen their memory little while ago, now you are seeing. Can you see small difference now? Who trained? That little boy trained, my assistant trained. If he could break so much difference now, 5 days, if I am there, I have not even come in contact with them. If I train, how much improvement you can see to show only how done this experiment. But you will say, Jason, that's okay. But these words won't come in exam. That I also know, man. Only thing is for you to understand how done this experiment, how to apply this into studies now. From tomorrow I will teach you. That's what I'm going to do.